How to get Santa hat and Bitmoji on Snapchat? The first thing you need to do is open Snapchat. Once in the app, you're going to tap on your Bitmoji in the top left hand corner. Then from here, you're going to simply tap on the Bitmoji as you can see right there. Then you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on Edit Avatar. That's the last option at the bottom of the page. After selecting Edit Avatar, now you're going to tap on the lightning icon in the bottom left hand corner. Then you will see Festive and you're going to tap on the hat icon in the right hand corner as you can see right here. Then you could tap on the Santa hat as you can see right there. You can also edit the color of the hat as you can see there by tapping on the color circle, but I will stick with the original red and white. Then you are going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.